Hi guys, welcome back. So in last video we talked about is extensible, and we also talked about a method prevent extension. So in this video we'll see more, and we talk about is cell. So if I do object dot, so here you if you remember, we have covered this too, also covered property names. We skipped these two methods. We have covered hash zone, is extensible, keys, as well as prevent extensions. And let's talk about is sealed. So if you remember in last video, we sealed our, I mean, we prevented our object from extensions. So now if I try to add more thing here, let me check whether it is still prevented or not. Yeah, it is still prevented. So if I check it is extensible, it is saying false, so we cannot extend it. Now I'm just clearing it for now, and let's talk about cell. It's cell. So what is cell? If I try it here, it is saying false, so it is not cell. So by method name you can understand it's like selling this, like we cannot do some functionality, we're restricting some functionality. So what could be that functionality? So let's try to do this first, and then we'll try to see like what change happening. So we also have a property, it seal. So if we do this, what will happen? I don't know what happened, so all these fields are same, but still I don't know what happened. So in that case, let me see the description of all the properties. So if you see this, now what happened here is it is not configurable now. Means so configurable is just for delete. So understand it like we cannot delete this property now. So since this is now false, it's not deletable. So if we check it, object.isSealed, what we say here, it will say true. So there might be some scenario where you need to restrict deletion of an object property, then you can use this. To verify it, we can use a command delete ovd.name. So it's saying false, probability is not deleted, that's why. Let me check it. Okay, so it's still here. In next video we'll talk about is freeze is frozen and freeze. So thank you for watching.